call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god.
Let's go. I'm about to go off like a weapon. Fuel to the top, got a filled up engine. In my thoughts, obsession. I will not stop, no, I'm never second guessing. I got a God complex.
Okay, everybody, we've done it. It's time to show it. You saw it where it started, and we are done with this project. So here is, you saw the old 2002 Suzuki GSXR 1000 with all new plastics. You saw the old stuff. Look at this, just such a sick looking plastic set. Nice tail with a cowl cover, Yoshimura exhaust. I kept one of the originals. This is what saved the bike initially, so that's why I didn't have a lot of damage to fix or repair. Really, it was all cosmetic for the most part. Everything looks awesome, so much better. I love this color scheme. Halfway tempted just to keep this bike myself. Diablo Rosso tires, 3, both front and back. The only thing I had to do is, unfortunately, the sticker that came on this really ruined the mirror, so I just painted it. The customer probably will just replace this anyway, but for now this will do. It even has a few marks. Easy to put some clear coat on it, but I just painted it a flat matte black. I think it worked pretty well. 37,000 miles on this thing, and it is a dream. I'm gonna start it for you guys here in a second. Okay, key in. Oh, listen to that. It sounds amazing. No error codes. It's good. White tires could probably use some paint, but other than that, this thing is in great condition. Sounds great. Yeah, that'll wake up the neighbors, and I like my neighbors, so I'm gonna sell this one just like I've sold the other bikes. I'm sad to see this one go. It is fast. I've taken it on the streets a few times. I didn't record it. I might do a little bit more of that, but this thing is fast, and it's time to see find a new home. Okay, little test video, test drive, no plates, not going to go very fast, just to give you a little idea of what it's like. Hopefully that's all you need. And this thing is mean. It's a little scary, so I'm going to take it fairly easy and just around the neighborhood, really. One, because like I said, I like my neighbors. I don't want to make them mad too. I got a lot of stuff to live for. And 3, I don't have a lot of gas, so if I gun it, eventually I got to make it to the gas station. project's done. This one was pretty easy. Laid it down on the track. This thing has got some nice front rotors. This thing is nice, and I am just happy I got to work on it. Anyway, all right, folks, that's it. That is the bike, and we'll see what our next project is.